All right, it looks like we had a little connection issue, but we are back. Let's go ahead and dive right back into the charts. So we were taking a look at pound CAD. We noticed a 1 hour double bottom, and we decided to check it out for a buy to see if we can get the win. And as of right now, that trade setup is in profit. We found this idea for this trade setup last night in our charting session. Okay, so let's see what else we got besides that charting session. Okay, I believe it was like EA. So let's see what else we got besides that charting session. We just took pound CAD. We just took pound CAD. Just took pound CAD. Looks like Hero AUD is about to figure out what it wants to do as far as its overall direction. Hero AUD is about to figure out what it wants to do as far as its overall direction. All right, cool. So again, we already got this buy on AUD CAD. Right now we are in profit. We just need to see if this structural level of support will hold, or if the dominant trend is over as far as it being an uptrend, and it wants to break these lows to create a lower low. Okay, if it hits our stop loss, we'll learn a lesson for the day. And if this thing holds at this area and continues to go up, we're looking at a couple different target areas on this trade. We got 1, 2, 3 target areas overall, giving us a 1 to 17. Good God, 1 to 17. I would like to see this play out. 1, 2, 3 target areas overall, giving us a 1 to 17. Good God. But let's see. I would like to see this play out. Let's see. That morning workout. That morning workout got me sleepy. That morning workout. Yeah, so far with the way this thing is set up as far as momentum, I like this trade setup. So let's just set an alert. So far with the way this stop area as far as momentum, and we'll set an alert right here just to let us know if price drops. But so far, the potential of us winning the trade looks pretty good. So far, the potential of us winning the trade looks pretty good. Okay, at this level here, what's that on the 2 hour? Okay, 1 hour here. Yeah, so on this level on NASDAQ 100, we're waiting for it to be retested to see if we can get a reversal in this uptrend. So on this level on price just hit that level and gave us a short pullback. We'll have to see how this thing plays out to see if this sell will be worth holding. Gave us a short pullback. We'll have to look at the fib from that swing high. That little boy is so silly. Let's look at the fib from that swing. If I take the fib from the swing high to this swing low, we get some coordinates over on the right hand side. Right now, if I take the fib from the swing high, price just broke above the 618. We could definitely see a pullback before it goes any higher. Right here at the 50, we got a gap. We got another gap at this 382. Right here at the 50, we got a gap. Yeah, oh yeah. Another gap at this 382. We got these lows. Price creating relatively equal lows on NASDAQ 100. So we could see a retest of this structural level. Price creating relatively equal lows on NASDAQ 100. So we could see a retest of this structural level. Yeah, we got a lot of rejections right here if you look back. So even if we only go to the 382 on the field, that's a 1-7 trade setup, which is still pretty good. So even if we only go to the 382 on the field, that's a 1-7 trade setup, which is still pretty good. Now we got this trade set up. We're already in it. We got our alert set up. So now we got this trade set up. We're already in it. I want to see if this is a false breakout right here on the 618. If so, we'll have a NASDAQ win on the 30-minute. We got 24 minutes left in this candle. If we can get a close beneath this candle in the next 24 minutes, and that would confirm a double top, an M pattern. And if that is confirmed, then the chances of this thing playing out are increased. We just have to wait and see. If that is confirmed, then the chances of this thing playing out are increased. We just have to wait and see. Oh, gold. It was only 2 pips gold. Oh, gold. So on gold, it was 9 pips. On gold, we had a sell limit order, but it came really close and dropped. Let's see what happens if it's gonna let us in or if it wants to continue this down. Let's see what happens if it's gonna let us in or if it wants to continue this down. Yes, beautiful.
Can we put on our Crocs?
Yes, beautiful.
Come on, see.
Yes, beautiful. Yes, beautiful. What happened? Where did oil reject that? Okay, so oil field, retested this structural level right here, then failed. Okay, so oil field, retested this structural level right here, then failed. did want to see this low being broken before looking for a buy on oil. So hopefully that'll happen with this next couple candles. I want to see this low being broken before looking for a buy on oil. So hopefully that'll happen with this next couple candles. Definitely looks like a double bottom right there. Definitely looks like a double bottom right there. So it looks like Euro USD is respecting the trend line as well. So it looks like we have this downward trend line on Euro USD. Every time prices touched it so far, it is gave us a rejection or a pullback. Same thing here. And then I believe we're just on the 15-minute. 30-minute time frame, price just gave another rejection, which is a double top at this area. 30-minute time frame, price just gave another rejection, which is a double top at this area.
I just wanted to tell you, see you later, and we about to go to the park.
Oh, now isn't that nice of you? Well, give me a hug, little lady. Oh, now isn't that nice of you?
Ow.
Well, give me a hug.
Did you forget my bat and sword?
Oh, your brother in the car already?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, 1 out of 2 ain't bad.
My bat and sword?
Oh, your brother in the car already? Both of them running in the house. Hey, 1 out of 2 ain't bad. Both of them. We got 17 minutes left in this candle close. So we'll see how Euro USD responds. If we get a pullback towards this double bottom and resistance holds with our moving line of resistance, our trend line, and we're gonna take this sell. Resistance holds. We're coming right back. Let's see what happens. Moving line of resistance, our trend line. Okay. So the candle closed, but the trend still looks like it wants to move to the downside. What trade were we just on? So the candle closed, but the trend still looks like it wants to move to the downside. All right, cool. What trade were we just on? So we're coming up on time. Right now we got pound CAD, I would let it run. I want to test out a Euro USD buy. I'm sorry, a Euro USD sell. We're just looking for a buy from this area to retest the highs. I'm sorry, a Euro USD sell. We're just looking for a buy from this area to retest the highs. Okay. Got these TPs arranged. Okay. Oh. Got these TPs arranged. Oh. All right, cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go ahead and set a limit order. So last night I went over setting a limit order with one of our guys. If you guys have not taken our free course, head over to our website, profitakerseu.com, and go to the courses tab, and you'll find our free 9-day course, which shows you how to place trades, and it also helps you set up your demo and live account to place those trades on. All right, so right now we're about to set a limit order. On Euro USD. $30. 30 minutes. It could break the lows right there and just take off. That's fine. Could break the lows right there and just take off. Yeah, so on the smaller time frames, it looks like there will be a change in momentum. So let's leave that order there and monitor when it gets there. And if the bullish momentum is really strong, we're looking at possibly bringing that risk down to the 50 field. All right, and this will be it for the day, you guys. Yeah, I appreciate your time. Thank you for logging on with us. Today, the market is still developing setups. Last week, we had impulsive moves on almost everything. And right now, we've reached some structural levels. And typically, when that happens in the market, you'll see a lot of consolidation, okay? But we had a nice return for 2 weeks in a row, bringing in over 200% of our total account in just 14 days. So let's just celebrate those wins. And when we come back, and when we come back for the rest of the week, hopefully those setups will be developed. If not, we'll just be patient and let the market come to us. So again, if you want to take advantage of these trade setups and you do not know where to start, head over to our website, Profiteers EU. Hit the courses tab. It will direct you to this page. You have our free 9-day course that teaches you how to set up your demo, your live account. From those accounts, you'll be able to place, monitor your trade setups, and it also teaches you how to leverage your trades properly. So when we win online, you'll be able to take advantage of these wins with us, okay? We don't get on here just to, give overviews. We are actually taking trades, and we are having one hell of a run as far as our winning percentages. Outside of that, we have our Mindset series. This is the glue to our system. This brings everything together, full circle. Check out the free trial to our Mindset series. It helps you with guided meditations and teaches you how to shift your paradigm so you can become the things that you want to attract in life, so you can bring them to you and become that switch that you want to see. Along with that, we have our 6-week journal, Structure Breaking. And this piece helps you by adding writing. All right, we use visualizations and challenge concepts to challenge that paradigm. And when you write and speak in unison, you change your thought process, and it leads you closer to where you need to be to execute these trade setups. I've seen too many people that come into this market thinking they're about to change their life overnight without changing the way they think about themselves. So that's why we added this piece, because I really care about everybody's development. Outside of that, support the team and go check out our merch. And remember, guys, that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay. Let the streets know.
Big wins coming for the rest of the week.
Let the streets know.
Infinite wins for the team.